Let's play a game, one that could earn you $50, no matter where you live on this planet. This isn't a sponsored giveaway. This is a direct challenge, from me to you. If you watch this video to the very end, and answer one specific question correctly, while including a secret password hidden in the final seconds, you'll be entered into a random draw to win. But there's one twist. The prize is only unlocked if this video gets at least 1,000 likes and 1,000 comments before the next Friday. If we don't hit that, the challenge resets. No winner, no payout. So now, sit tight and prepare to explore 7 of the most mind-bending scientific mysteries that still have no answer. It was August 15th, 1977. A massive radio telescope at Ohio State University, known as the Big Ear, picked up a strange burst of energy from space. It lasted just 72 seconds, but it was so intense, so out of place, that the astronomer on duty, Jerry Eman, circled the printout and scribbled one word: wow. No natural cosmic event, no known satellite, no star or pulsar could explain it. The frequency matched hydrogen, the most basic element in the universe, which some theorists believe aliens might use to send signals. Despite decades of monitoring, the wow signal never happened again. No repeating source, no location match, just silence. Was it a message, a warning, or a missed opportunity to reply? We used to believe all life required sunlight, until we found creatures thriving in pitch-black ocean abysses where no light has ever reached. Near hydrothermal vents, cracks in the seafloor where scalding chemicals shoot out, entire ecosystems survive. No plants, no photosynthesis. Instead, they feed on sulfur, methane, and toxic compounds that should kill anything else. Gigantic tube worms, blind crabs, bioluminescent shrimp, all adapted to a world so alien it might as well be another planet. And that's the point. If life can evolve without light, deep beneath the ocean floor, what's stopping it from existing under the icy crust of Europa or Enceladus? Imagine this. You're standing in your living room. A thunderstorm rages outside. Suddenly, a glowing orb, the size of a tennis ball, floats through the wall. It hovers silently in midair, then explodes without warning. This isn't science fiction. It's called ball lightning, and thousands of people have witnessed it. Some say it smells like sulfur. Others claim it passed right through glass. In rare cases, it's even been blamed for starting fires or killing livestock. Yet, no lab has ever reproduced it. We don't know what it's made of, how it forms, or why it behaves the way it does. It might be plasma, it might be a hallucination, or it might be a window into a hidden layer of physical reality. In the driest desert on Earth, Chile's Atacama, researchers found a tiny mummified skeleton that shocked the world. Only 6 inches long, it had an elongated skull, sunken eyes, and just 10 ribs instead of the normal 12. People immediately cried alien. Scientists ran DNA tests. It was human, sort of. The genes showed signs of massive mutations, some never seen before. Yet the body appeared to be 6 to 8 years old. Impossible for a skeleton that small. Was it an extreme deformity? Or something entirely different? Even after 2 documentaries and a full genetic breakdown, the case of the Atacama humanoid remains unsolved. It's labeled Human Origin, Unknown Pathology. You enter a room, hear someone speak, and suddenly feel you've lived this moment before. But it's impossible. You've never been here. You don't know these people. Still, something deep inside you whispers, this has happened. That's déjà vu, and no one knows why it happens. Psychologists say it's a memory error, your brain confusing past and present. But that doesn't explain why some people predict what happens next during a déjà vu, or why it's more common in certain age groups. Others suggest something wilder, overlap between alternate timelines. A moment from a parallel version of you bleeding into your consciousness. Whatever it is, it's real, and science still doesn't know why. In northern Minnesota, a river flows toward the waterfall. But here's the twist. The water splits in 2. One half flows normally downstream. The other half vanishes into a massive hole in the rock. Gone. No exit. No trace. Scientists poured dye, ping pong balls, even GPS trackers. Nothing ever came out. It's like pouring water into Earth's throat, and it just disappears. Some believe it's draining into an undiscovered cavern network. Others suggest it re-emerges miles away through unseen channels. But after decades of testing, we still don't know where that water goes. It's called the Devil's Kettle, and it mocks everything we know about geology. You're watching this video right now. You're aware of your thoughts, your emotions, your attention. But what are those things really? We can see which neurons fire when you feel fear or joy or pain, but no one, no neuroscientist, no AI researcher can explain why you feel anything at all. Why do some chemicals make you happy? Why does sound become music or shapes become memories? This is the hard problem of consciousness, and it remains unsolved. Some believe it's quantum, others believe it's beyond physics. But here's the real question. If we ever solve it, will we lose the mystery of being human? If you watched carefully, here's your chance to win. Which mystery involves a waterfall where the river disappears underground without a trace? Comment your answer, and don't forget the secret password, Echo0. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave a comment with your answer and the password. And remember, the $50 prize is only unlocked if we hit 1,000 likes and 1,000 comments before next Friday. If that happens, one of you will be randomly chosen, and we'll send you $50 via Western Union, no matter where you live. Good luck, and as always, stay curious.